In the 2021 IECC, we now have to test the performance of bath fans in all locations, ventilation systems, so whole house, controlled mechanical ventilation, and exhaust kitchen hoods to make sure that they're pushing the required, at least the minimum required air that's being detailed out in the IRC, not in the IECC. So it's going to become more and more important that we think about the quality of the fan that we're installing and how the duct is run on those fans. Our only experience with testing these fans comes from the Energy Star program, and it became pretty apparent that a typical builder grade rated 50 CFM fan, when you install ductwork, doesn't push 50 CFM of air, and that's the requirement, that it pushes at least 50 CFM of air intermittently. So you can see in this house that they have addressed part of the issue. They're installing a better quality fan here, and I can tell that by the quality of the fan housing here. And the ducting is a little bit better as well. We've upsized the duct from a 3-inch duct to a 4-inch duct. We've created some laminar flow by having at least 2 feet of straight duct coming out of it. What would have been better is to have a 45-degree elbow instead of a 90-degree elbow up to the roof, so that we can get that airflow and move it up to the house. What we see often is that the 90-degree elbow occurs right at the fan housing here, which creates too much static pressure for the fan to overcome to be able to push that 50 CFM of air. So in order to avoid a lot of callbacks, because this can only be tested at a final stage of construction, you want to make sure that you work with builders in your jurisdiction to install higher quality bath fans themselves, and that they concentrate on how they're ducting it to not only overcome static pressure, but in this case, they're going to be able to solve a lot of the condensation issues that are happening here as well. Because of this straight line of duct, they're able to mound insulation over that before it starts moving to the roof and going out through those roof port penetrations up there.